Today's lesson is the second lesson in chapter 4, percents and decimals. And what we are going to do today, we will solve questions like these questions, write the percent as a decimal, and also like these questions, write the decimal as a percent. To start, I want you to open your book's page. What page is this?
170.
Thank you, Muhammad. Thank you, Nawaf. Page 170. So go ahead, everyone. Open your book's page 170. And now to start, we need to see the main idea or the key idea for this lesson. For this, I will use this page. Just a second, this one. Yes. Okay. What we need to do here is writing the decimal, the percent as a decimal. So the first step is removing the percent sign, this sign. Remove this sign. The percent symbol, remove it. Then, the second step, move the decimal point to the left 2 digits. Why 2 digits? Remember, percent means divided by 100. So, divide by 100, this percent means divided by 100. When you divide by 100, you move to the left 2 digits. So that's why here we move the point to the left 2 digits. And if you don't have a decimal point for a number like this 2, and I don't have a decimal point, so the decimal point is here, then you take it and move it to the left. That's exactly what we did here. We move it 2 digits, so it's 23 hundredths. So 23% is the same as 23 hundredths. Now, let's see some examples. We have 52%, and we need to write this as a decimal. So remember, the first step, remove the percent symbol. So remove the percent symbol. And the second step, move the point, the decimal point. We don't have decimal point, so it's to the right. You see here? It's to the right here. Move it to the left 2 digits. So move it 2 digits to the left. We get 0.52. And remember, we removed the percent symbol. So do not say 0.52%. This is wrong. Okay, let's see another one. But before we move to the next one, let's draw this 52 hundredths. It's 52 out of 100. So if we have a grid with 100 squares, we color 52 squares. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 52. Let's see the next one. 7%. Mustafa Islam?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, Mustafa, can you help me? What should I do first?
First, you will remove the percent mark.
Excellent. And second,
And
we move the
we will move the decimal point to 2 digits to the
left. Excellent. Oh, we have only 1 digit.
We will add 0.
Excellent. We should add 0. So we add this 0. Why? Why do we add 0? We add this 0 because we need to keep the digits in the correct place value. We need the 7 to be in the correct place value. So that's why we add the 0. Okay, so can you tell me the answer now?
Yes. 0.07.
Excellent. And in the grid, how many squares, how many small squares should we shade?
7.
7. Excellent. So we shade 7 out of 100. Thank you, Mustafa. Great work. So, guys, we can see here that we may need to add zeros, 1 0 or more than 1 0 to the left, just to keep the digits in the correct place value position. Now, let's go back to the book and try to solve these questions. Before I solve them with you, I will give you 1 minute and I want you to try to solve these questions. Go ahead, questions 1, 2, 3, and 4. Try to solve it in your book. You have 1 minute.
I'm done, teacher.
Okay, Ibrahim. I see now that I have 18 students and I want you all to focus with me. For the next sessions, inshallah, when you finish your session, go directly to the next session. Do not waste time. So, in the next session, I will not wait for you.
Session.
Yes, Muhammad?
The last session. Yes. It's the 5th session.
Yes, in 5th session, when you finish the session, go directly to the next session. Don't waste time. Okay?
No, mister, this is the final session. We can't go any sessions.
My hero, I mean, when we start the math session, I miss many students. That's why I'm saying this. I want you to join my session quickly. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. This is for tomorrow, inshallah, not today. And I say this now because now I see that you are all here. Okay, let's start solving. Hamad Sulaiman. Hamad Sulaiman. Khalil Thuwayqab.
Yes, mister.
Okay, Khalil, go ahead. Question number 1. What is the first step, Khalil?
24.
The first step, we should remove, we should cancel the symbol, the decimal symbol, the percent symbol. So, the first thing that we should do is canceling the percent symbol. Then, move the point to the right or left?
Left.
How many digits?
2.
2 digits, because we are dividing by
Teacher,
100.
I have a question.
You cannot ask now. So we have the point
No,
here.
never mind.
And we move it to the left 2 digits. So, what should be the answer? Khalil.
24.
Where should I put the point? I should put it here. And I don't have a whole number. What should I do?
Over.
No! I I didn't ask you to write it as a fraction. I asked you to write it as a decimal. And we moved the decimal point to the left 2 digits. And now, since we don't have a whole number, so the whole number should be 0. Khalil, are you with me?
Yes.
Can you help me with the next question?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Is to cancel the
Cancel the percent symbol, then
we put point
move the point to the
left.
how many digits?
1.
No. We are dividing by 100, so we should move it 2 digits. Okay, so where is the point? I don't have point. So where should I put the point? If we don't have a point, so the point is to the right. And we should move it 2 digits to the left. 1, 2. Oh, we have only 1 digit. What should I do? Khalil, use your mic.
Khalil, are you here?
Okay, in fact, Khalil, I don't like what you are doing. My hero, when you are answering a question,
Mr. Can you
do not
answer?
mute your mic. Okay? Now I will check another hero. Rawi?
Mr. This is
Teacher,
very
I'm raising my
Yes,
hand.
Mr. Amrawi.
Go ahead, Rawi.
Question 3, Mr.
Question 2.
Question 2, okay. So we will cross the 100, so it will be 0.03.
Excellent. We will put 0 here, so it will be 0.03. Excellent, Rawi. Great work. مناع. مناع العجمي. محمد بلال. محمد بلال الشبلي.
Mr. Yes, teacher.
This is Muhammad Bilal.
Yes.
Okay, go ahead, Muhammad. Question number 3.
Okay. Okay. 1.07.
Wow, you did it directly. Wow, I like what you did. Excellent. Okay, we will cancel the percent sign and move the point 2 digits to the left, so it will be 1.07. You're a star, Muhammad. Thank you.
Mr. Can I answer?
I'm calling the names, Muhammad. Hashim Bouali. Hashim Bouali.
Hi,
Hashim?
teacher.
This is Hashim, right? Okay, go ahead. Go ahead.
92.5.
We will cancel the percent sign. Then
Okay, Mr.
move the point to the Hashim.
Right.
No, to the left.
Left.
How many digits?
1.
No,
2.
2. Okay, so it will be here, the point. So it's here to the left of the 9. And we don't have a whole number. So what is the whole number?
0.
Excellent. So the number is 925 thousandths or 0.925. Thank you, Hashim. And here I want to ask a question. My heroes, why are we moving 2 digits to the left?
And teacher, because whenever you divide by 100, you move the decimal place to 0.
Excellent! Wow, this is a star here.
There is 2, because there is 2 zeros in 100. That means you have to move it 2 places.
Excellent. Because we are dividing by 100. When you divide, you move...
And also because when we divide a number by 10, we move the decimal 1 place. So, of course, when we divide by 100, we're going to have to move it 2 places.
Thank you, Ibrahim.
Can I answer?
Yes?
Okay, my name is Hamad.
Yes, answer. What is your answer?
Hamad.
The question that I asked. You don't know the question and you want to answer?
Yeah.
The question is, why are we moving 2 digits, moving the point 2 digits to the left? And the answer is because we are dividing by 100. We are dividing by 100. Okay,
Teacher, look, everyone, they are all writing in the chat. I'm telling them to stop, but they're not stopping.
Okay, thank you, Ibrahim. And everyone, please do not use the chat.
Teacher, also see for yourself.
I will not see it, because if I see it, I will give you notes for it. And if you repeat it, you get minus.
Okay, if you say so.
So everyone, please do not use the chat. Stop using the chat. And now let's move to...
Okay, they said they will stop.
Thank you, Ibrahim. Okay, now let's move to the next part of our lesson. And of course, it's the opposite. Converting decimals to percents. So this time we have the decimal and we need to rewrite it as a percent. So the first step is moving the point to the right of or to the left this time.
Right.
Of course, it's the opposite, so we move it to the right. How many digits? 2 digits. Because we are multiplying by 100. So when you convert a decimal to a percent, you multiply by 100. When you multiply by 100, you move the point to the right 2 digits. But there is something that you should keep, and do not forget to put the percent sign. Okay, let's move now to some examples to see how we do this. We need to write 0.47 4700ths as a percent. So remember, we multiply by 100. So we move the decimal point to the right 2 digits. Move it to the right 2 digits. We get 47. And do not forget to put the percent sign. Okay, let's see the next one. Muhammad Mohsen. Muhammad Mohsen.
Sir.
Go ahead.
Yes,
0.663.
Okay, so first we're gonna put the 0.663. Then we will remove the 0.
We need to move the point first.
Yes, we move the point.
To the right or left?
Then we write 663 percent.
So you move it. How many digits?
We do 2 digits.
Okay, so it will be
So it will be 66.3%.
Excellent. Wow. Great work. The next question, Ali Ali.
Yes, teacher, I'm here.
Go ahead. 1.8.
Write 1.8 as a person. For the
Move the point to.
For the right two times.
Excellent. But we have only one digit. What should we do?
We will do 180 and.
Excellent. We add a 0. So it's 180. And do not forget to put the percent sign. Thank you, Ali. Great work. Fahad al-Dhurman. Fahad?
Yes, teacher.
Go ahead.
0 percent rejected. The point.
We should move the point to the
3 place.
To the right or left?
No.
What?
Hello.
To the right or left, Fahad?
Right.
Right. How many digits?
3.
What? What? We're multiplying by 100. Why 3? Only 2. So we move it 2 digits to the right. Now the number will be
9.
0.9. And do not forget to write percent. Thank you, Fahad. And now let's go back to the book, and you have 1 minute to solve these questions. 5, 6, 7, and 8. You have 1 minute. Go ahead.
It will be easy. I'll finish it in like half a minute.
That's because you are a star, Muhammad.
Teacher, it's easy for everybody.
Okay. My heroes, I repeat again, please, for the next sessions, do not use the chat.
Teacher, when will you give us there is quizzes?
Today, no.
Okay, because we have 8 minutes left.
Not
Tomorrow.
8 minutes. Wait. We have 13 minutes left. Now 12 minutes. Okay, now let's start solving. فارس الزيد فارس طلال جغيمان سعد الشيبي سعد نصر الله
Yes, mister.
Okay, go ahead.
Mister, I don't understand this very well.
Oh, let me help you. Let's solve question number 5 together. Okay. What we are doing here, we want to put the percent sign, right? We want to put the percent sign, this sign.
Yes.
What is the meaning of this sign? This sign means divided by 100. But if you want to put it, you should multiply by 100. So if you want to write this as a percent, you should multiply this by 100%. Because remember, 100%, it's a whole one, right?
Yes.
So simply what we're doing here, we are multiplying by 100. And when we multiply by 100, we move the decimal point to the right or left?
Right.
How many digits?
2.
After that, we put the percent sign. That's it. Let's do it. So move the point 2 digits. It will be
94%.
Excellent. Great work, Nasrallah. Thank you. Ali Al-Mar'i?
Yes.
Go ahead. Question number 6.
1.2. It's 120.
Wow, excellent. We move it to the right 2 digits. Yes.
Because we have 2 digits, and the 100 has 2 zeros. We should have 2 digits after the decimal point.
You're a star. Thank you, Ali.
Welcome.
Muhammad Qasim?
Yes.
The next question.
Question 7.
Yes.
Okay, 0.316. Okay, so this is about...
Move the point to the...
This is 31.6%.
Excellent. So we move the point to the right 2 digits. 1, 2.
Times
So
2.
it will be
So
31.6.
will be between the 1 and the 6.
Excellent. Thank you, Muhammad. And Muhammad says the answer correct, but I did it wrong. What is the mistake in my answer? Muhammad did it correct, but I did it wrong. Can anyone tell me what is the mistake here?
It didn't put a decimal.
No, I have the decimal point written.
Sir, I am Mustafa. Can I answer?
Yes.
The percent mark.
Excellent. That's it. Excellent, Mustafa. The percent sign. Guys, if you forget to put the percent sign, so your answer is wrong.
Mister, I'm trying to... I said decimal.
Oh, you mean the you mean the percent?
I said percent.
Okay.
I said this.
Okay, Muhammad. So it's very, very important to remember that what we're doing here is converting a decimal to a percent. So the answer should be a percent. Okay, if you forget to write percent, it's wrong. And of course we know why. 2 is not the same as 2%. Why? Because 2 means 2 whole. And 2% means 0.02 or 200th or 2 over 100. But if we write 2 as a percent, it will be 200%. So they are not the same. If you forget to put the percent sign, your answer should be wrong. Okay, let's move to the next one. Kareem. Kareem Al-Harih. Kareem. Kareem is not here.
Yes, I'm here.
Okay,
teacher.
Kareem, go ahead.
Question number 8.
Yes.
0 decimal point 5.
Mm-hmm.
5%.
Yes. 0.5%. So we move the point to the right 2 digits and we get 0.5%. Excellent,
Yeah.
Kareem. Thank you. Great work. Okay, now we don't have enough time to use a practice link. So I will ask a question here. And if you have the answer for this question, just raise your hand.
Teacher, can we type the answers in the chat or the answer?
No, if you have the answer, just raise your hand and I will discuss the answer with you. What? You're raising your hands now.
Mister, I'm raising my hands already.
Better early than late.
But you don't know the question yet.
Early. I just want to answer
Okay,
first.
go ahead, Muhammad. What is your answer?
Raise your hand.
What is your answer, Muhammad? What's your answer, Ibrahim? I didn't write the question yet.
Okay, I'm going to lower
Mister,
my hand.
the answer is
Lower your
nothing.
hands. Okay.
Mister, the answer is nothing. Is it right?
Lower your hand, Muhammad, please.
He didn't say the question.
Mute your mic, Ibrahim. And the question is, I want you to write this fraction as a decimal
Mister.
and as a percent. If you have the answer, just raise your hand. Do not use your mics.
I raised my hand first, huh?
Muhammad, do not use your mic. I will not answer, Muhammad. Because you are using your mic.
Who was opening his mic?
No, Fahad, mute your mic.
Sorry.
And Ibrahim also, you will not answer. Okay.
See, that was Ibrahim, not me. All right, bye-bye.
Okay, mic's off. Mic's off. I see here Mustafa. Mustafa? What's your answer?
Yes, teacher.
What is your answer?
As a percent, it is 24. 100.
What? No.
Can I leave?
No.
As a percent, it is 24 of 100.
No. No, Mustafa. It's 24 what?
Mister, can I leave or no?
Muhammad, you have a note. If you use your mic again without permission, you get minus. Okay, Mustafa, so it's 24%, not 24 over 100. This is as percent. And as a decimal, as a decimal,
As a decimal, it is 0.24.
0.24. Excellent, Mustafa. Great work. Okay,
Mister,
so
I am leaving. Mister, can I question? Mister, can I say a question?
you want to say a question or you want me to ask you a question?
No, can I say?
Yes, ask.
Can I leave? Can I leave?
We will leave. I will tell you when the session ends.
The session has ended.
Okay, so
The session
thank
has
you.
ended
Yes,
a
you
long
can
time
leave.
ago.
See you tomorrow and
I'm
goodbye.
Teacher, give me a question.
Okay, one more question. And you should answer this question to me tomorrow. The question is 1 over 4, 1/4. And I want you to write this number as a decimal
No,
and
I'm writing this down.
as a percent. Okay, and I need this answer tomorrow. Okay, see you guys and goodbye.
See you.
Bye.